everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have seen my Karwa Chauth vlog. If not, please go watch it now. The link is in the description box. What you are seeing right now is my Karwa Chauth special look, and I'll try to explain in this video how exactly I achieved it. So come and get ready with me. I have not applied anything on my face till now. So we'll start with my Indulgio Rose Gold Oil, and I just love applying this on my skin. It gives you a glow. And now I'm going to moisturize my skin with my favorite moisturizer from the Body Shop, and I'll apply this all over my face. This is my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit, and I'm gonna conceal my eyelid. And I'm gonna dab it with my beauty blender. Now I'll apply the eyeshadow from NYX, and I'll take this dark red shade and I'm gonna apply this shade on my upper eyelid. Follow the same for the other eye. This is my Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty, and now I'm applying my favorite shade, Saffron, on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna apply the same shade from Huda palette to give a really strong definition to my crease. To define my lower lash line, I'm using the same shade from Huda. Next, I'm using my favorite mascara from Bobbi Brown. Just using some coats on the top as well as the bottom. Now I'm taking my all-time favorite eyeliner from Lakme, and I'll apply a nice thin winged eyeliner. I just love this eyeliner. Follow the same for the other eye. And to fill my eyebrows, I'm using this chocolate palette, and I'm taking a darker shade to fill my brows. Next, I'm applying a highlighter on my brow bone, and this is from Nykaa. Now I'm using this gold shade from Inglot for my eyes inner corner. This is just to enhance the inner corner of my eyes. Now time to put fake lashes, and I'm done. Now I'm taking two different foundations. One is from Bobbi Brown and the other is from Maybelline, and I am applying a mixture of these two. I am applying this on my neck, and now I am going to blend everything out with my beauty blender. Now I'm using the same contour palette from Anastasia to conceal my under eye area, and I'm applying this on my nose, forehead and chin. Now again, I'm going to blend everything out with my beauty blender. To contour my face, I'm using the same contour palette from Anastasia. I just love cream contouring. I'm applying this in the hollows of my cheekbones and the circumference of my face as well as nose. And I'm going to blend everything out again. Now I'm going to do the powder contouring with my darker shade compact from MAC. Now I'm applying my most favorite Bennett tint from Men Effect on my cheeks. And I'm going to dab it with my finger. Next step, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. My nose, my forehead and my chin. And this is my all-time favorite highlighter from MAC. Now the only thing left to apply is lipstick. Now let's get to the final touches and accessorize. As you can see, I have already changed my clothes and I'm wearing this beautiful white Indian attire. Oh, I almost completely forgot to apply my lipstick, so now I'm gonna apply my favorite MAC Ruby Woo. So this is my final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, comment and share, and do subscribe to my channel, which is Tanu Yashraj Kapil.